Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, kahapon nga nag-react tayo sa kanta ng SB19 na Ligaya. And that's the very first time na napakinggan natin yung kantang yon. And I'm actually still shocked, no, na may mga kanta pa sila na hindi pa natin napapakinggan. So, yun na nga, no? In-upload ko yung video. And marami sa inyo nag-comment ng mga kanta ng SB19 na, baka hindi ko pa napapakinggan. So, ni-request nyo sa comment section. And, man, hindi ako paniwala, no? Yung mga kanta pa rin talaga na hindi ko pa napapakinggan, no? So, I mean, today, we're gonna react to a song titled Love Yours ni Owen Lee, featuring SB19, no? I'm just excited, no? Di ako makapaniwala that we're gonna listen to. I mean, it's not a new song, but for me, it's a new song. This is the first time that I'm gonna listen to this. So, I'm excited. I'm excited. Well, without no further ado, let's get it. Love Yours. Sila katang Love Ghost, no? Tapos the Love Yours.
Love yours.
Si Owen Lee ba is a Korean. Yeah, I mean, ata naman sa ano, no?
Real, recognized real.
Sometimes I lose. Everything is sad and sour. I just release friends. Oh, don't look at the bummer.
Sorry, what? I am sorry.
Sometimes I lose.
Sometimes I lay low.
Recognized real.
Sometimes I lose. Everything is sad and sour.
Everything's sad and sour. Sometimes I lay low. Everything is sad and sour. Yung sabi.
I just release friends. Oh, don't look at the bummer. I gotta start and pour. You
Okay.
wanna start with love. Baby, that's over. Oh, look, give us some fire.
Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok ng ganun lang, Josh. What the hell?
Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true. We all diamond, don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain would go away, we hate to play it. Yeah, we
Okay, man. All right, so that's the reason why it's Love Yours. Okay, so I'm sorry, hindi ko talaga nakuha yung I assume Owen Lee is the first part of the first verse, right? Hindi ko masyadong nakuha yung kasi wala tayong lyrics no? And I'm too lazy to look for the lyrics, so I'm trying to, like mano-mano based na napapakinggan ko, which is usually that's what we do in here in our channel, no, mano-mano, pinapahirapan natin yung sarili natin kahit pwede tayo mag-search ng lyrics, but wala natin kay Josh.
Oh, look, give us some fire.
Even if we break, we always knew. When we under pressure, we show true. We all diamond, don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain would go away, we hate to play it.
So napaka gamer, no, tamang-tama kay Josh yung ano na yun, 'di ba? Sabi nga niya, kahit na parang mahirapan tayo, alam natin na under pressure, makakaya din natin 'yan, no? Tapos parang we're gonna die as men, no? We hide no lies, all sabi niya doon?
And don't hide no truth.
No hide no truth. Ano sabi niya?
When we under pressure, we show true. We all diamond, don't hide no truth.
Don't hide no truth.
No.
If the pain goes away, we hit the play end. 'Di ba? So, kasi, ina nga, pag, for example, ang may sabihin doon is, for example, under pressure, kaya nating mag-perform, mag-fail man tayo at the end, pwede tayo mag-restart. So, yung gusto niya sabihin doon, na mamatay man tayo, no? Kasi, like in the games, mamatay ka sa laro, you can start to, play again. Like, you can restart and the replay, like in a game, no? Like, sa totoong buhay, di ba? Pag nag-fail ka sa bagay, pwede mong ulitin, di ba? Like, yeah. Bagay na bagay kay Josh yung ano.
We show true. We all diamond, don't hide no truth. No, cause the pain would go away, we hit to play it.
Yeah, we come and go. Why
Okay.
you worrying what for? And if you think it's not enough, fill it up now. And if you
Easy, no? If you think it's not enough, fill it up.
can't do a thing you wanted
Oh, man.
to do, just breathe your doubts away. I'm letting you know, I'm letting it go.
All this time, I'll see it through. I'm going to the things I do. You can't keep me down, oh yeah. Can't keep me down. All these lies, no, they can't go through. Sometimes don't believe in you. Don't you keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
Gusto ko yun. No? Pablo with the hook. Yeah, so basically the song is about, you know, loving yourself or love yours, you know. Yun yung pinaka doon. Like, sometimes, you know, unahin mo yung sarili mo or gawin mo yung mga gusto mo na gawin or maniwala ka sa sarili mo, you know, mahalin mo yung sarili mo kahit minsan, di ba? Kahit maraming doubts and, you know, maraming struggle. Yeah, but that's basically the meaning of the song. I'm actually so curious for the first verse of Owen Lee, no? I mean, I'm gonna look for the lyrics later, but we're gonna listen to the song first.
No, they can't go through.
Oh, we gotta.
I'm letting it go.
All this time, I'll see it through. I'm going to the things I do. You can't keep me down, oh yeah.
Can't keep me down.
All these lies, no, they can't go through. Sometimes don't believe in you. Don't you keep
All these lies can't go through. Sometimes they don't believe in you. Yun yung mga usually the reason why hindi mo nagagawa yung mga gusto mo, 'di ba? Yung mga kasinungalingan galing sa ibang tao, like, ay, ano yan? Makakasama sa'yo yan, or hindi magiging maganda sa'yo yan, or yung iba nag-doubt sa'yo na, ay, di mo naman kayang gawin yan eh. 'Di ba? Like, madi-discourage kang gawin yung mga bagay na gusto mo talaga in the first place, and then you end up, you know, being depressed and disappointed sa sarili mo na hindi mo siya nagawa at the end, right?
you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
So you won't drown, man. True.
Keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
Love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours, love yours,
Cause we were meant to break through.
love
Because we were meant to break through. So, oh no, we were meant to break through.
yours, love yours, love yours, love yours.
God will keep you down, love yours, so you won't drown, no.
That's fine, I'm turning it up. I've been living with the fear and I brought it up. Can't lie, it's all my fault. I do blaming anyone else cause I brought it up. I'm pretty consistent cause I maintain. Hate it on myself, I know it's not a good thing.
Oh
But
my
every day I
God.
wake up at the same thing. Every day the same thing.
And if you feel
I mean, that's fucking. Yung verse ni Ken doon is just sad.
know it's not a good thing. But every day I wake up at the same thing. Every day the same thing.
and if you
So basically, parang, you know, yung part ni Ken doon is, sabi niya na, ano, na, yung ang dami nga niyang, like, pinagsisisihan, no? I hate myself, you know, sa mga bagay na hindi ko ginawa, na dapat nagawa ko. I hate myself kasi hindi ko parang, basically, di mo fulfill yung mga gusto mo talaga. And everyday, nagiging siyang multo sa'yo, kumbaga. Gumigising ka, tulog ka, gumigising ka na, you know, nabubuhay ka na andun ka sa part na yon na hindi mo nagawa yung mga gusto mong bagay. And you're hating yourself every day because of that. Yeah, I mean, that is fucking sad, no? That is fucking sad. Just imagine yourself. I mean, I know maraming sa mga babae natin or mga Pilipino, no, na nandiyan sa buhay na yun. Basically, no, na inaano na lang, hinaharap na lang kasi there's no other choice, di ba? Marami sa atin dito na hindi naman talaga natin pinangarap yung sitwasyon na nandun tayo ngayon, no? But kailangan natin upunta sa sitwasyon na yon or kailangan natin magstay sa sitwasyon na yon kasi wala lang ibang tutulong sa atin. And minsan naman, tayo lang yung kailangan ng pamilya natin or ng ibang tao para magsustento para sa kanila. Something like that, right? So napilitan tayo magstay sa bagay na yon kahit na may iba tayong mga gustong gawin.
But every day I wake up at the same thing. Every day the same thing.
And if you feel
Sad, man.
like you
Come on,
can
Sel.
do a thing you wanted to do, just breathe your doubts
Come on. The vocals of Stel, man. God damn.
I'm letting you know
I'm letting it go.
All this time I'll see it through. I'm gonna do the things I do. You can't keep me down. Oh yeah,
Oh, shit. Saan to?
can't keep me down. All these lies, no they can't go through. Sometimes I don't believe in you. Don't you keep you down. Love yours so you won't drown. No.
Love yours, love yours, love yours.
By the way, this is an SB19 song. By the way, this is an SB19 song. I'm sorry, Owen Lee. Sobrang late na ng part mo sa kanta to. I mean, I guess, it's more, kasi kung pag-uusapan natin kung sino may pinakamaraming part dito sa kantang to, is si Pablo, si Stel, and si Justin, no? Sila ang may pinakamaraming part sa kantang to, no? Si Owen Lee, ang kinanta lang niya is yung first verse, tapos yung love yours, na sa part ng chorus, no? After that, wala na. SB19 na lahat.
Love yours, love yours, love yours.
Cause we were meant to break through.
Love yours, love yours, love
Ah.
yours, love yours.
God will keep you down. Love yours so you won't drown. No.
Love yours, love yours.
I know someday we'll be free. Yeah.
Someday, no? Isa yung sa mga nakakagana, nakakataas ng hope para sa sarili mo na someday we will be free. Pero at the same time, nakakalungkot kasi someday we will be free. Parang mangarap ko na lang, no? Mangarap ko na lang ulit na someday we will be free.
Don't you keep you down. Love yours so you won't drown. No.
Lyrics by, okay, Pablo and Owen Lee. I see. All right. Is this Owen Lee? Nice. All right. Well, again, that is Owen Lee, Love Yours, no? Featuring SB19. Man, I don't know about you, but that song is a fucking banger. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ito masyadong sumikat or nag-boom, no? We have, this is uploaded December 22nd, 2021 with a 365,000 views, man. For a song this quality, nakakalungkot to, mas marami na ikinig na mga, garbage song kaysa sa mga ganitong klase ng kanta na may magandang melody, no, and magandang lyrics. But yeah, I mean, that is Love Yours. Salamat sa lahat ng nag-request, no. Again, comment down below kung meron pa kayong alam na iba nilang kanta na di pa natin napapakinggan dito sa channel. Comment down below. Sobrang thank you, no? Nagkaroon ako ng bagong kanta na mapakinggan nila today. But that's a reaction for today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome.